Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert special characters in Publisher with keyboard. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert special characters in this document with this keyboard. Firstly, click the text box, then press Alt on our keyboard, then press N. Now we can see here many options, then we press U, and we can see here more special characters. You can choose any characters. Press up, down or left right arrow on our keyboard to choose any special character. Now we want to insert this character, press enter on our keyboard. Now we can see we insert special characters with keyboard very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.